Hey, this is Flylady Premium Mentor Emma here with day 2 of our baby steps. So yesterday we gave our sinks a really thorough shine. So that was our day 1 baby step. If you haven't done that yet, maybe go back and watch the video and see how I did that. There was a link in yesterday's video to the Babysteps 101. If you need printed or something to read, that will take you to that link and allow you to do that. So today we're going to do 2 things. We're going to shine our sinks, but not like we did yesterday, because we've done the hard work. Now it's all about maintenance. So instead of kind of filling it up and all of that kind of thing, every time you use it, you just kind of wipe it out. And then when you're done at the end of the day, you shine it. And I will show you how I do that right now. And it takes less than 60 seconds. So I have had all kinds of things going on. I've got a few little bits in here that I just got caught in my thing from dinner today. So that will go, and I just will go out of screenshot there just for a second to put that into my bin. So then I give it a really good wipe out. I might just run a little bit of water in there, and I've got my cloth. Like I said, I have a new one of these every day. So I give it a good wipe round like this, and if there was anything that was maybe greasy in there or anything like that, then I would use a cleaner just to spray that in. And I wipe all of this down like this, just to be sure. Take out my things from in here and wipe this like this. Then when I've done that, rinse my cloth out and I give it a dry. Okay, so it's really simple. I'm just drying it out. You can see how quick I'm being. It's not about being perfect. And this is the cloth. This was today's cloth, and this will go to be washed, and tomorrow I will have a clean one. So I wipe this out like this, and then just to make it shiny, I have, well, in America I think it's called Windex, over here it's Windeline, same kind of thing. I just wipe that around. And remember again what I said about it's not about it being perfect. You don't have to expect to see your face in it. It would be physically impossible for me to do that with my sink, because of the design of it. It's a matte sink, so it's just about it looking nice and feeling really clean and kind of having a shine to it. And once that's done, that's it. I pop my bits back where they belong. This cloth will go into the trash, and that one will go to be laundered, and I just put this away. It lives under my sink. So that is my shiny sink every evening. And if you saw, it took me maybe 60 seconds, maybe 90, because I was talking about it. The other thing that we do on day 2 is we get dressed to the shoes. Okay, so that means we get up, we don't just pull like jogging bottoms and that on, something that's kind of nice. It doesn't have to be best, just something that's presentable. Lots of ladies wear jeans. I love my black trousers. I wear a lot of black. I'm wearing green today, which is kind of unusual for me. I wear a lot of black. It's almost like my uniform, but then I don't have to think about it too much. So I get dressed every day. I wash my face, clean my teeth, do my hair, and put makeup on. Now, I don't wear makeup every day because I have really sensitive skin, but I try and wear makeup maybe 4 days out of 7. It's about doing it for you. You're not worried about other people. You're not dressing up for other people. You're dressing up for you. And when you're dressed to the shoes, it gives you an attitude of feeling like you can do anything. And also, in addition to that, if the door goes and it's the delivery man, you are not answering the door in your bathrobe or pajamas, which is kind of great. So the kind of shoes we wear, we're not talking high heels, we're not talking fancy shoes. I own some beautiful shoes. I am an Irregular Choice lover. They're a British shoe manufacturer, and they have some amazing shoes, but those are not the shoes that I wear every day. I generally wear lace-ups. I have a pair of silver glittery Converse, which I love, and I wear those most days. Today I have on a little pair of pumps with lace-ups. If you can wear lace-ups or something with a strap, that's absolutely great, because it means it won't slip off your foot, and if any of you are anything like me, I am very resistant to wearing shoes. I find them kind of uncomfortable. And when we had the interviews to become Flylady mentors, Marla, our lovely Flylady, asked me if I wore shoes every day, lace-up shoes every day, and I kind of had to say, well, no, I don't. She said to me, well, how are you gonna help other ladies to do that? And she challenged me to wear shoes every day, and some magical things happened. I don't stub my toes anymore. It just doesn't happen. I don't hurt myself. If I do that, I'm wearing shoes so my feet are protected. My feet are so much softer. They're in so much better condition. And if I need to run outside for anything, I have my shoes on, which is so convenient. It's absolutely great. I've also found that my legs don't ache as much. It's added all kinds of things that I never expected. The other thing it does is give you an attitude of wanting to work because you've got your shoes on and you're ready to go. So it's such an important thing from that aspect as well. So that's another reason for doing it. So just to recap today,
8 wheels and flies.
Just to recap today, we are doing, I'm sorry, I have an Echo Dot and it's just decided to tell a joke. To recap today, we shined our sink and just to maintain it, and we got dressed the shoes. I will be back tomorrow with day 3, when we will add a little bit more onto our baby steps. You have an awesome day. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.